Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you, even if you are 80 years old, look 16 years younger with very simple ingredients. Just these simple ingredients will make you look 16 years younger than your age and will remove wrinkles and smile lines naturally with very simple ingredients at home. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and if you don't have aloe vera gel you can use natural aloe vera gel instead. And we need 1 teaspoon of aloe vera. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, يعني كناريا الكتل. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of flax seeds, and flax seeds is super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and the fatty acid that's very helpful to your skin and that removes wrinkles and fine lines naturally. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now we need to leave it 24 hours to soak in completely to get the benefits of the flax seeds naturally. And once you leave it for 24 hours, apply it on your skin like so. Massage the skin with it. And leave it on your skin for 1 hour, and then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, the result will amaze you. It removes the wrinkles and smile lines and the laugh lines naturally. It is super effective remedy yet super simple. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.